Tell me who you are and what are you doing here?
Hi, I'm Gabriel Knight, and me and my family have come here to buy bunkies for our cottage. Just look at the space that we have in here. It's huge. You could fit so many chairs. You probably fit a bed in there. Like, what else do you need? You can get AC, you can get everything. Like, I don't even know what else you need.
And what was it like when you saw it on the internet versus when you saw it in real life?
It feels just bigger. You can actually feel the amount of space that you can get in this place. Just amazing.
And so tell me, what would you guys be using your bunkie for?
We would use it for probably to fit more beds. We have lots of people coming over, and we don't just have the space in our cottage. So if we put this in, we'll probably fit maybe 4 or 5 people in one of these.
Sick. Anything else you want to add? Anything that you like or didn't like about the bunkie that you want to point out?
I don't think there's anything to dislike. Just, it's phenomenal. The building, the structure, and it probably doesn't take that long. Just phenomenal.
How are you guys planning on building it?
We have our grandpa and me and my brother, and yeah, let's see what happens. It's gonna be fun. It's like a little project.